full-frame fanatics on a budget, and anyone who's ever eyed a top-tier camera and thought, if only that magic came without a kidney price tag. Listen up. Enter the Nikon Z5 II, the sequel to an already solid gateway into the full-frame mirrorless world. And this time it's beefed up with brains from the flagship Z9, autofocus faster than a caffeinated squirrel, and low-light chops that'll have you shooting in shadows with confidence. So grab your cleanest lens and let's find out if the Z5 II is the affordable full-frame hero we've been waiting for. The original Z5 was a solid entry into full frame, but the Z5 II? Nikon's taken that reliable base and infused it with flagship DNA from the Z9 and Z8. Yep, it's rocking the same Speed 7 processor. That's like dropping a Formula One engine into a family sedan. The result? Faster performance all around, from menu navigation to image processing, so your camera can finally keep up with your creative flow. Hold on to your lens caps, folks. This autofocus is wild for its price. Powered by deep learning AI, it can detect 9 subject types: humans, animals, birds, planes, bikes, and more, with the same precision as the Z9 and Z8. Focus happens about 3 times faster than the original Z5, making it feel like switching from dial-up to fiber optic internet. Plus, the Z5 II is the first full-frame Nikon mirrorless to support AFA focus mode, automatically switching between single-servo AF for still subjects and continuous AF for moving ones. It's a game-changer for those moments when you just want the camera to do the heavy lifting. But wait, there's more. The Z5 II also packs 3D tracking, keeping fast or erratic subjects locked in focus at a blazing 14 frames per second. It's like having a smart, sticky focus point that just won't let go. Perfect for action, sports, or your unpredictably adorable pets. And when the lights go low, the Z5 II shines there too. With its back-illuminated CMOS sensor, it gathers light more efficiently, delivering cleaner, sharper images in dim conditions. Think cozy indoor moments or moody night scenes. The Z5 did well in low light, but the Z5 II takes it up a notch, capturing finer details without the grainy chaos. Nikon's really leaning into user-friendly creativity with the Z5 II. A new picture control button gives instant access to 31 built-in presets, even in auto mode, and you can preview them live on the LCD as you compose. It's an intuitive way to experiment with styles without diving into post-editing. You can even download creator recipes via the Nikon Imaging Cloud, tapping into a whole community's worth of inspiration. Visually, the Z5 II steps up big time. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen is now twice as bright, no more squinting in sunlight, and the new Touch FN feature lets you tap to select your focus point. And the real showstopper? A 3.69mm dot EVF that's ultra bright and crystal clear, giving your eyes a break while keeping your framing spot on, even in low light. Other goodies worth mentioning. Dual SD memory card slots with UHS 2 support for faster saving, a warm display colors mode to preserve night vision during low light shoots, perfect for astrophotography, and a starlight view mode that gives you a clear view even in near complete darkness. Connectivity is on point too, with headphone and microphone jacks, USB-C for charging and power delivery, micro HDMI for external recording, and SnapBridge for easy sharing and remote control. All in all, the Nikon Z5 Mark II is shaping up to be a seriously powerful mirrorless camera that punches well above its price tag. It's got flagship-level brains, autofocus faster than your reflexes after a double espresso, and low-light performance that'll have you embracing the dark like never before. What do you think about the Nikon Z5 II? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, photography fans, let's talk about the Nikon Z7 Mark III. No corporate buzzwords, no overhype, just pure anticipation for what could be a game-changer in the mirrorless world. 4 years after the Z7 Mark II made waves, the leaks are finally here, and they've got everyone, from weekend shooters to seasoned pros, on edge. Faster autofocus? Yes, please. Next level low-light performance? Count us in. But here's the real question. Is Nikon about to redefine what high-resolution cameras can do? Stick with me as we break down everything we know so far, from the most exciting leaked specs to what this could mean for your gear lineup. Spoiler alert, it might just be time to upgrade. The Nikon Z5 Mark III is expected to feature a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, highlighting durability. Ergonomics are key, with rumors of a deeper grip, better thumb rest, and well-placed dials for smooth operation, making long shoots more comfortable. The display might be a 3.2-inch OLED touchscreen with a higher resolution, offering sharper previews and better color accuracy. For the EVF, expect a 5.76 million dot OLED with 0.8x magnification for an immersive experience. Customizable controls include dedicated dials for ISO, aperture, and shutter speed, along with a customizable function button layout for quick access to key settings. Now the sensor. This is where things get interesting. The 90.75 megapixel rumor is a bold claim, potentially utilizing a stacked CMOS design for faster readout speeds and improved dynamic range. But the more plausible scenario is a 61 or 67 megapixel sensor, still a significant jump from the Z5 Mark II. Regardless, expect a backside illuminated BSI design for enhanced low-light performance and a wider dynamic range. Processing power is crucial for handling those massive files. Dual X-Speed 7 processors, a significant upgrade from the single X-Speed 6, will likely handle image processing, autofocus calculations, and video encoding. This could translate to continuous shooting speeds of up to 14 FPS with full autofocus and auto exposure, or even 20 FPS in electronic shutter mode. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, is expected to see a substantial improvement, potentially reaching 8 stops of compensation. This would allow for handheld shooting in extremely low-light conditions and smoother video recording. The autofocus system is rumored to feature 493 phase detection points covering a large portion of the sensor, and AI-powered subject detection for accurate tracking of humans, animals, and vehicles. Video capabilities are also expected to be a major focus. 8K at 60 FPS is a bold claim, potentially using pixel binning or line skipping to manage data rates. More realistic options are 6K and 4K at 120 FPS, offering high-res video and slow motion. Expect advanced codecs like ProRes RAW and H.265, along with 10-bit internal recording for better color grading. Connectivity is key, with 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers, Bluetooth 5.2 for mobile device pairing, and dual card slots for CF Express Type B and UHS 2 SD cards. Battery life should improve with a higher capacity ENL15C battery or a new battery grip for longer shooting sessions. Image quality is paramount. Expect exceptional detail, clean low-light performance, and accurate color reproduction. Nikon's color science is renowned for its natural rendering, and the Z5 Mark III is expected to enhance this. Release date rumors point to August to November 2025, a long wait, but indicative of Nikon's commitment to a polished product. The price is expected to be in the $3,000 to $3,500 range, targeting professionals and serious enthusiasts. The big question: can it dethrone the Sony A1 II? The Z5 Mark III's focus on resolution and image quality could give it an edge in landscape, portrait, and studio photography, but the A1 II's speed and video capabilities are formidable. The Z5 Mark III will need exceptional real-world performance to compete. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More camera tech news, reviews, and speculation are coming your way.